Now, some letters has different sounds in Spanish. For example, G and J. They have a soft sound and they have also a strong sound. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. It is a soft sound. And you have to know this difference because it is important to write it correctly. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Notice that when we want to say the soft sound with the G, we need to write an U, una U between la G y la E, o la G y la I. Ge, gi. La G y la J, they also have a strong sound. Ja, ge, ji, jo, ju. And depending on the word, you can write G, ji with G or J. Gimnasio, gente. Jefe, jirafa. When you say gi, ge with an U, con una U, you don't pronunciate the U. You don't say guitarra. You say guitarra. When we pronunciate the U, we need to mark it with that 2 dots in the top of the letter. Pingüino, for example. Pingüino. Notice the difference. Pingüino. So, to sum up, with G and J, you have 2 sounds, a soft sound and a strong sound. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ja, ge, ji, jo, ju. You have something similar with the letters C, Zeta, and Q. We have a strong sound and a soft sound. Soft sound. Za, ce, ci, zo, zu. And a strong sound. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Notice that we have the same situation here with ke and ki. We write ke and ki with an U in the middle. For example, Quijote, we don't say Quijote, Quijote. And ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? What happens? ¿Qué pasa? Now, if you want to practice the sounds of Spanish with some activities, and I highly recommend it, you can go to SpanishPulse.com and you will find there some interactive activities. And if you like this video and you want more content like this, you can subscribe to our channel and give us a like. And also, you can share this content with your friends if they are learning Spanish. Adiós, hasta pronto.